I'm going to talk to you about your options for dealing with the parent consent forms, getting them signed electronically, and then uploading them to Theranest. So the first thing is, after I have the conversation with the parents when they're looking at a copy of the consent form, then I ask the parents if they are comfortable electronically signing the PDF document and returning to me, or if they are comfortable printing and scanning the document back to me after they filled it out. Or if none of those are comfortable, then I will offer to send them a link in order to help them sign the document. I only offer that as an option if they say they can't do it, because some of the links that we're using are free, and you only get so many free documents before you have to buy a subscription. So basically, I'm going to go over two of those free options with you. So the first option is the one that Colleen told us about, and it's really smallpdf.com. And in smallpdf.com, what you do is you're going to request a signature. This one is the easiest to use. So you choose the document, then you upload the file from the device. So I've created a folder that has the consent form in it. And so I grab the consent form, and then I will put my name and the parent's email address and all that information in there. And then you just send the form, the parents will sign it, and then it will be emailed back to you and it will come into your inbox. So that's the easiest one to use. But I am told by some people who've been using it that you really only get 5 free ones before you have to buy a subscription. So there's a second one which works in a slightly different way, and this one is DigiSigner. So DigiSigner, D-I-G-I, DigiSigner, this one, the way you work would be a slightly different way. So you would start by, instead of having to create an account, you can just choose a file, and then you'll choose your consent form. And so now, if you click OK, and you can sign it. So what I do is then I'll take this form and I will copy the link. So I'll highlight my, at the top, I'll highlight the address. I'll copy, Control-C, or you can do your right-click copy. And then what I will do is I will get into my Chad's email, and then I will send that to my parents with here, please select this link to, please select this link, and, continue. And I'll give them the link with more information, but I'm trying to be short here, in order to sign the document. So then, and I email that to the parents. So when they select the link, what it does is it pops them right up how to sign, and then they can sign this document. And so once they sign the document, and so they can type their name, sign it wherever they want. I'm just putting it anywhere. They can text, so they can fill in those text boxes at the bottom. I'm just going to here. They can text here. Right, and then when they are done, then what they can do is then they'll just download the document. And then they can download the document and email it back to me. So this one is more steps. So you can say, please select the link, and then download the document when you're finished. So that is a more complicated one because you have to tell them a step. So those are the free options. Now, another option that is a possibility for signing this document would be to use a Word document form and then have the parents just fill it out in the Word document form. Just type in their name and then send an email saying, I give my child permission. So I am going to go ahead and send what that would look like to you so that you can use this as for your email. So let's say now we have the document. Finally, we have our document back, and now we need to upload it to our Theranest account. So what I do is I find my student, and then in order to upload the document that's signed, then I will take the general document. So then once the parent has given me a document back, now normally there won't be anything in here, I've already practiced this a couple times, but what I'll do is then I will simply find the document. This is the signed one. And then I will enter it, and then I'm finished. So that is the process of working with the signed consent